Using Klarna credit check requires a thorough understanding of the process and its implications. To start, it is essential to know what Klarna is. A popular buy now pay later service that allows consumers to make purchases and pay for them in installments. When applying for credit through Klarna, the company performs a soft credit check to assess an individual's creditworthiness. The first step is to understand the difference between a soft and hard credit check. A soft credit check is a preliminary assessment that does not affect an individual's credit score, whereas a hard credit check can temporarily lower the credit score. Klarna's credit check is typically a soft check, but it can become a hard check if the individual is approved for a higher credit limit or applies for a different type of credit product. To use Klarna's credit check effectively, it is crucial to monitor credit reports and scores regularly. This can be done by checking credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus and reviewing them for any errors or inaccuracies. A good credit score can increase the chances of being approved for credit with favorable terms. When applying for credit through Klarna, it is vital to provide accurate and complete information. This includes personal details, income, and employment information. Inaccurate or incomplete information can lead to a rejected application or less favorable terms. Another essential tip is to only apply for credit when necessary and to avoid making multiple applications in a short period. This can help prevent a negative impact on credit scores and reduce the risk of being declined. It is also crucial to make payments on time and in full to avoid late fees and interest charges. Additionally, individuals should be aware of the fees associated with using Klarna's credit products. These fees can include interest charges, late fees, and other payments. Understanding these fees can help individuals make informed decisions about their credit usage and avoid unexpected costs. In conclusion, using Klarna's credit check requires a thorough understanding of the process and its implications. By monitoring credit reports and scores, providing accurate information, applying for credit responsibly, and understanding fees, individuals can use Klarna's credit check effectively and make informed decisions about their credit usage. This can help individuals manage their finances effectively and avoid potential pitfalls associated with credit usage.